Yes, we have task 1 here, question 1. This is grade 9, Integrated Science paper 2. The diagram below shows the method of separating mixtures used by grade 9 learners to separate ethanol and water in science laboratory. So there is the setup where we know that Q here is for thermometer. That is Q. And R is the Libig condenser. S, this one is a round bottom flask. Round bottomed flask. This is that type of a flask. It is round, you can easily see, or we can call it distillation flask, or we can call it distillation flask. So those are the two possible answers. U, this one is fractionating column. With broken porcelain. With broken porcelain. So in fact, it is pointing at the central. So that is broken porcelain. So that is what we have. So let's continue. There is heating the mixture of water and ethanol. The mixture is being heated. Once the mixture is heated, the vapor goes to the fractionating column. Once the mixture reaches the fractionating column, the vapor itself of water and ethanol, remember, between water and ethanol boils fast. Ethanol boils fast. Why? Because it has a lower boiling point of 78 degrees Celsius, and then water of 100 degrees Celsius. So when you heat the mixture, we are going to see the vapor of ethanol vaporizes first, and then later on the vapor of water vaporizing second. So the vapor goes to the broken porcelains. So what the broken porcelains does is that it prevents bumping. And it also increases a light surface area for the complete and efficient separation or boiling process. So once it enters the broken porcelain, the temperature is recorded. The temperature will be 78 for the first vaporization, that is ethanol. And then the vapor now goes through the condenser where it is going to be cooled, or it is going to be condensed back to liquid. And then after being cooled, it is collected here as the distillate. So the first to be collected as the distillate is the ethanol. So let's go to the questions. Identify the scientific skill used by the learners to assemble these apparatus. So we know that the scientific skill that is used in handling and assembling the apparatus is called manipulative skills. Manipulative skills. Other skills aside from this one, remember this one is just to assemble the apparatus. Other skills, we have practical skills or experimental skills. These ones are skills aside from the one that is used to assemble the apparatus. These are skills that we can acquire from this laboratory science setup. So let's dive to B. What is the name of the apparatus marked Q, R, and S respectively? So Q, since we had named them, Q is thermometer. R, what is R? R is a Libig condenser. Good. What is S? S, we said it is a round bottom flask. Round bottom flask. Round bottomed flask. Sometimes when or you can write distillation flask. You get the mark right. Distillation flask. Distillation flask is also another right answer. Number C, identify the method of separating mixtures the learners used. Identify the method of separating mixtures the learners used. So this method of separating the mixtures is known as fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. This method is known as fractional what? Distillation, because of the presence of fractionating column at this point U. So this is the fractionating column. So the method is known as fractional distillation. Number D, or question D, what is the function of broken porcelain that was put in the part marked U? Now, the function of broken porcelain, there are two functions. Number one, Roman 1, prevent bumping. It prevents bumping. Remember, vapor is going to be formed. So that bumping is what we don't want. So broken porcelain prevent that bumping. Number two, it increases a large surface area, for complete and efficient process of distillation. Yes, so that is, those are some of the two functions of the broken porcelain that was used in the part marked 2. Identify the substance that was collected as the distillate. So the substance that was collected, identify the substance as the distillate was the ethanol. Why? It vaporizes faster due to its lower boiling point. Boiling point of 78 degrees Celsius. F, state any two applications of this method in day-to-day life. Two applications. Number one application, separation of liquid air. Separation of liquid air. Separation of liquid air to obtain pure gases. Gases like oxygen and nitrogen gases. Number two, refining of crude oil to obtain kerosene, petrol, and diesel. Those are some of the two applications of this method, fractional distillation, in day-to-day life. So one of the applications is separation of liquid air to obtain pure gases like oxygen and nitrogen gases. Number two, refining of crude oil to obtain kerosene, petrol, and diesel. Last question. Other than ethanol and water, give any other example of homogeneous liquid mixture other than ethanol and water. So we have methanol and water. That is Roman 1. Roman 2, we can talk about acetone or propanol. And water. Those are liquid mixtures and they are homogeneous. So that marks the end of this question 1, paper 2, Integrated Science. Thank you for listening to your teacher Zamalek. You can always contact Kenya Science Network. The number there is 07919373. Thank you for listening to me. Bye-bye for now.